Are you ready to kickstart your career in the railway sector? Rail India Technical and Economic Service, RITES, is offering a golden opportunity with 150 senior technical assistant positions up for grabs in 2025. But don't delay. The application deadline is December 30th, 2025. Let's dive into the details and see if you're the perfect fit. RITES Senior Technical Assistant, Mechanical, Recruitment 2025, your gateway to a thriving career. RITES Limited, a prestigious Government of India enterprise, is seeking talented individuals to join their team as senior technical assistants, mechanical. This recruitment drive aims to fill 150 positions across various regions. Here's a quick overview. Feature details. Company name RITES Limited, a Govt of India enterprise. Post name Senior Technical Assistant, Mechanical. Number of posts 150. Salary 29,735 rupees only gross monthly CTC. Qualification Diploma in Engineering, Mechanical Production Manufacturing. Age limit maximum 40 years. Application start the 9th of December, 2025. Application end the 30th of December, 2025. Written test date the 11th of January, 2026, 15 to 17:30. Official website www.rites.com. Vacancy breakdown. Where will you be stationed? The 150 vacancies are distributed across the following regions. Region VC No. Total vacancies. North M121 25 50. East M122 25 75. West M123 25 10. South M124 25 15. Total 150. It's crucial to note that these vacancies are region-specific. Make sure to choose the region that best aligns with your preferences and career goals. The North region might cover states like Delhi and Haryana, the East could include West Bengal and Odisha, the West might encompass Maharashtra and Gujarat, and the South could cover Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Do your research to understand which states are covered under each region before applying. Are you eligible? Cracking the code to qualification. Let's talk eligibility. RITES has specific requirements, so pay close attention. Educational qualification. You need a full-time diploma in engineering in one of the following disciplines. Mechanical engineering. Production engineering. Production and industrial engineering. Manufacturing engineering. Mechanical and automobile engineering. But here's the interesting part. Candidates with higher qualifications like a degree or PG degree in the same discipline are also welcome to apply. This means if you have a B.Tech or M.Tech in mechanical engineering, you're still eligible. Minimum marks required. General EWS candidates, 50% marks in the qualifying examination, your diploma. SC/ST OBC, NCL, PWD candidates, applying against reserved posts 45% marks in your diploma. Your diploma degree must be recognized by AICTE-BTE from a university incorporated by an act of central or state legislature in India. In simpler terms, make sure your college is legit and approved by the government. Sections A and B examination of the Institution of Engineers, India, are also accepted, as they're considered equivalent to a degree by the Government of India and recognized by AICTE. Experience. You'll need a minimum of 2 years of post-qualification work experience in the relevant field of engineering. And this is the part most people miss. The period of training, other than on-the-job training, internship, teaching, academic pursuits, fellowship, or PhD research will not be counted as experience. RITES is looking for hands-on, practical experience. However, apprenticeship training, as per the Apprenticeship Act 1961, in the relevant discipline will be considered. Desirable attributes. While not mandatory, having these will definitely give you an edge. Experience in the domain of mechanical engineering. Practical experience in engineering projects. Show me the money, salary and stipend details. Let's talk about compensation. Here's what you can expect. Post name, Senior Technical Assistant, Mechanical. Basic pay, 16,338 rupees only per month. Gross monthly CTC, ₹29,735 only per month. Important note, the remuneration mentioned is indicative. Your actual salary will depend on your place of posting and the specific terms and conditions of your appointment. Pay, allowances, and perks will be determined based on the minimum years of experience required for the post. Even if you have higher qualifications or more experience than the minimum required, you'll still be placed at the same remuneration level initially. Whether this is fair is a point of contention, and something to consider before applying. What are your thoughts on this? Age is just a number, but there's a limit. Age limit, as on the 30th of December, 2025. Maximum age limit, 40 years. Age relaxation. OBC, NCL, SC/ST candidates, relaxation as per government rules, against reserved posts. PWD candidates, 10 years relaxation in the upper age limit. Ex-servicemen, as per government orders. J&K domicile, as per government orders. Your age will be calculated as of the last date of application submission, the 30th of December, 2025. Application fee, what you need to pay. General OBC, ₹300 only plus applicable taxes. EWS SC/ST PWD, ₹100 only plus applicable taxes. Important notes on fee. If you belong to the SC/ST PWD category and pay the fee during online application, it will be refunded after you participate in the written exam interview. This is a great incentive to encourage participation. The refund will be credited back to the original account you used for payment, after deducting GST bank charges. Fees submitted through any other mode besides online will be rejected. Make sure an invoice is generated after you successfully pay the fee. Key dates, mark your calendars. Event date and time. Commencement of online application the 9th of December, 2025. Last date of online application the 30th of December, 2025. Last date for online payment of fees the 30th of December, 2025. Date of written test the 11th of January, 2026. Written test timing 15 to 17:30, 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Cut-off date, age and experience, the 30th of December, 2025. The selection process, how to get the job. The selection process involves two main phases. Phase 1, written test. Weightage, 100%, this is the most important part. Total questions, 125 objective type questions. Marks per question, 1 mark each. Duration, 2.5 hours, 150 minutes. Good news. There's NO negative marking. PWD candidates get an extra 50 minutes of compensatory time. Minimum qualifying marks, 50% for UREWS, 45% for SC/ST OBC, NCL, PWD against reserved posts. Phase 2, document scrutiny. Based on your written test results and the number of vacancies available. RITES Limited will carefully examine the documents you uploaded during the online application. Only the information you filled in the online application form will be considered, so be accurate. Scrutiny may be conducted online or at RITES regional project inspection offices. Final selection. Candidates who are provisionally shortlisted will be placed on a panel. Deployment will depend on project company requirements. Important disclaimer, being impaneled doesn't guarantee selection or a job. It just means you're in the running. You'll also need to pass a medical examination as per RITES rules. Here's a bonus. You can choose to take the selection process in either Hindi or English. Written test syllabus, what to study. The written test covers a range of topics designed to assess your aptitude and knowledge. Here's a breakdown. Quantitative aptitude, 35 questions number system, arithmetic, geometry, algebra, series, trigonometry, quadratic equations, mensuration, average, profit loss, ratio and proportion, work time, time and distance, probability, simple and compound interest, permutation and combination. Brush up on your math skills. Data interpretation, 35 questions analysis and interpretation of data presented in tables, charts, graphs, and series. Practice reading and understanding data quickly. Logical reasoning, 35